Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absurd. 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 Absurd is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely unreasonable, illogical, or contrary to common sense. It often denotes situations, actions, or statements that are so ridiculous or senseless that they are almost laughable. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The idea that the moon is made of cheese is utterly absurd. It goes against all scientific knowledge. Why absurd is used in example number 1. Absurd is used to describe the idea of the moon being made of cheese as completely unreasonable and contrary to scientific facts. Example number 2. His argument that the earth is flat is so absurd that it's difficult to take him seriously. Why absurd is used in example number 2. This example highlights the irrationality of the argument, emphasizing that it's challenging to consider it seriously due to its absurd nature. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.